you are going to become an expert coder without even glitching. Together, we will build money-making applications you can sell to others.
Today, we are going to create a web-based application that uses Grok AI and Python to create a smart product scraper. Do any of you know what a product scraper is? Please raise your hands. Today, we are going to create a web-based Flask application that uses Grok AI and Python to create a smart product scraper. It uses advanced logic to hunt down any product you want and bring back all sources so you can find the best possible price. Add bulk URLs so your Grok product hunter has even more sources to scrape. When you click the green Scrape All button, the software reads the bulk URL list and scrapes them back into the database. It brings product price and the URL. The Smart Hunt button triggers an intelligent search system that expands product names into keyword variations, prioritizes domains, and bypasses the age gates. Clicking it will open a list of product URLs of companies that sell this product. It is how a smart application should work. We have seen the future of software development. Do you want to build AI-integrated software that can save you time and money? Email us at severanceltd@protonmail.com.